I'm not a doctor, but I play one on YouTube, and I'm here today to clarify some of the misinformation and the medical terms that we've been bombarded with lately. With that said, I'm sure after this, there'll be much more confusion. There's been many reports on sneezing out and how far a sneeze can travel.
Sneeze, we used a spray bottle filled with a special fluorescent paint.
Achoo!
Watch as those tiny neon droplets fly out in slow motion. Our producer, under a black light, is splattered.
Look at this. Potential germ splatter from that sneeze.
Spray reach him from twice as far away.
And we're gonna simulate this sneeze now from 8 feet.
Achoo!
Face.
Less splatter, but still lots of direct hits.
An unrestricted sneeze can come out at over 100 miles an hour and actually has been clocked at 200 miles an hour.
Here at our test facility, we've done our own research. Watch when our subject sneezes and the effect it has.
Choo! Choo!
Combine our demonstration along with the high winds predicted. We say a single sneeze can travel from New York to Arizona in about 2 hours. A lot of initials have been thrown around lately also. I'd like to just clarify some of that. PPE, personal protective equipment. PPP, paycheck protection plan. I gots to get paid. And PP, which reminds me, I have to use the facilities.